Hi Pisces! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, not all of you can resonate. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let us see what are the energies for Pisces, please. Okay. So we have the surprise. An unexpected turn can bring positive change. Be ready for change. May pagbabago na mangyayari, pwede sa personal life, sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong katayuan, sa trabaho ngayon, or sa inyong business. Changes that will bring positive in your life or in your situation. Increase in salary, increase in money, more benefits, independence, okay? Positive change. Parang hindi ninyo ito inaasahan. Pisces, authority. Take on the role of a leader and everyone will respect you. Be self-confident, okay? Magtiwala sa sarili, Pisces. Meron kang kakayahan to be a leader or to become a leader. Believe in yourself. Tanggapin ninyo yung role na binibigay sa inyo. Huwag magdalawang isip. Yung iba sa inyo lilipat sa ibang department or section ng trabaho. You will need the courage and the bravery, okay, to move forward, to step up, level up, Pisces. Direction. Do not deviate from your path. Attract a mentor if necessary. Plan where you want to be. Magkaroon kayo ng direksyon. Okay? Huwag ninyo iwasan yung daan o yung path na dapat sa inyo. Trust the process. Okay? Magkakaroon kayo ng bagong image. Okay? Bagong direksyon ng inyong buhay, ng inyong career or trabaho. Or kahit pa sa inyong negosyo, okay? Siguro yung mga iba na hindi nyo inasahan na lalago ang inyong negosyo, magkakaroon ng unexpected turn and it will make you happy, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages for Pisces from the tarot. For Pisces, please. Pisces. For Pisces. Ace of Cups. Bagong pag-asa, okay? There will be a support system or support that you will receive from your colleagues, from your teammates, okay? Meron na kayong mga kagrupo na sinusuportahan ka, magiging masaya ka. You will be contented somehow. A new feeling, this is a new feeling for you, Pisces. You feel good about yourself, about your situation. Okay. Parang mayroon kang bagong bahay, bagong pamilya. Okay. You are going towards success. You are a successful person in a sense na yung mga tao na nakapaligid sa inyo, nakadepende sa inyo. You are a leader. Okay? People are supporting you. Magkakaroon ng growth, victory sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Magaling ka sa inyong trabaho, sa skills na pinapakita mo. That's why napapansin ka. You are victorious. Okay, regarding work, namamayagpag ka. Focus on your work. You are very determined to succeed. Oh, masipag ka. Magaling ka sa inyong ginagawa. Okay. May mga tinitingnan ka na opportunities or bagong pagkakakitaan. Negosyo. Okay. A new beginning for you. Na may posibilidad to grow and to expand. You are in the planning stage. Okay. May mga naisip kayo ng mga opportunities or mga gagawin. You will have the freedom. Magkakaroon kayo ng tiwala sa sarili. You will be independent. Pisces. Okay? You will be very happy. Career-wise. Money-wise. You feel like pwede mo nang gawin kung anong gusto mong gawin. You have the financial freedom. Okay? For some of you, you are very defensive, okay? Pinoprotektahan ninyo ang inyong sarili, ang inyong kakayahan, ang inyong status sa trabaho man or sa personal life. Someone feels unhappy because of the change na nangyari sa inyo. But you are defending your achievements. Someone is not giving attention. Okay? Or someone is not receiving attention. Merong silent treatment. Merong hindi masaya sa paligid ninyo. Pisces. May mga opportunities kayo na kailangang tingnan. Meron ba kayong in-invest that you're still waiting kung mag-grow pa ba to or matatanggap mo yung reward or yung matagal mo nang inaantay? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, merong in-invest, tinitingnan kung may pag-asa pa or mag-grow pa ba yung business. Okay? May mga unexpected na mga events or mangyayari, yung quick events, okay? Maybe you will be receiving a sudden information, okay? Someone is taking charge. Huwag pa bigla-bigla sa mga desisyon ninyo na gagawin. I-review ninyo yung mga steps or actions before you decide. Okay, there is a person, a new person entering in your life. Okay, who wants to know you better. You may be communicating or dealing with a fire sign, a Leo, okay, Aries. Someone who is a leader. Okay. Someone who is in authority. May magandang posisyon sa trabaho. Merong inner battle na nangyayari within you, Pisces. Okay. Check the intentions of the people surrounding you or people around you. You feel that you cannot do anything. Parang wala kang magagawa sa sitwasyon. Okay? Maybe you are having negative thoughts in your mind that is troubling you. Sa isip, okay? And even sa gawa, it seems that you cannot move forward. It's like you are being trapped. Merong dishonesty or hindi magandang nangyayari or sitwasyon morally. Okay? Be careful of the deception, pagtatraidor, betrayal, or lies. Okay? Or maybe this is in your mind. Be careful, Pisces. Check your intentions. Is it for your higher good or not? For some of you, there is sneaking, okay? Sneaking away na nangyayari. Or getting information about something that is bothering you because you want to get some clarity, okay, of the situation. Okay. At work, you are very successful, you are independent, okay, pero may mga bumabagabag sa isip ninyo about betrayal, deception, dishonesty, or cheating, okay? Someone is sad in your environment. There is silent treatment. May ino-offer na opportunity or may nag-apologize but someone is not interested. Okay? So, let's see ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. Let's see the number card. For Pisces, please, messages for Pisces. Number 14. If you are seeing this number 14 or paulit-ulit, you are open-minded and always up to try something new. Yet you are wise enough to stop and think before you jump into things. This pragmatic approach helps ensure your time, attention, and efforts are meaningful. Okay. Number 8. If you are seeing this number 8, your talent for setting and reaching goals is like no other. You are self-sufficient and capable of achieving your ambitions. Representing the EBB and flow, what's this? The infinite loop of creation. Okay? You are self-sufficient and you are capable of achieving your dreams and ambitions in life, Pisces. You are a successful person and practical at the same time. One more. Number 66. Your guardian angel is teaching you the essence of unconditional love. You are encouraged to have faith that the universe will provide for you while you are manifesting your inner desires. Okay, so you are guided by the angels, Pisces. So, that's the message for you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.